We about to call a customer, cause that's what we do. And we like talking to our customers too.
Hello?
Hi, may I speak to Jay, please?
Speaking.
Jay, this is Brandon here with BlackMen'sGroomingDen.com. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm well. I wanted to give you a call regarding your order. I know that Courtney had been corresponding with you via email.
Sure.
And so we took a look at your tracking and we talked to USPS. And we on our end, we delivered the package. We mailed it out, looking at the tracking number just looking at the tracking progression. And at this time, when we talk to USPS, right now, they don't give us a reason why it's held up, because it's going. They're going from one facility to another facility, and so once it gets tracked or once it gets scanned by an individual, then that's how everyone kind of knows what's going on. So at looking at what.
Let me interrupt you for a second. And I just emailed you guys again, and I wasn't blaming you particularly. I understand this, the United States Postal Service, and it is unacceptable for you to have shipped something out 6 days ago and at the Atlanta facility, right? And I haven't received it yet. And I understand it's not your fault. And I'm a little ticked right now. Not at you guys, but at the Postal Service. So I'm gonna wait. I really don't want to cancel because my son uses the product and he says it's great. So I would just like to know where it is, and apparently you've been researching that and you can't get any answers either, right?
Correct. So, yes, that's correct. So what I was actually leading into was trying to figure out, okay, what can we do with the information we have right now? Like, what's the solution based on what we have? And that's really what I wanted to lead into. And I know that, we didn't take it like you were blaming us for the incident, because, we're customers too. We shop at Kroger and all these other places. So, so we understand. I just wanted to let you know that from my position that I understand. And that's all. I just wanted to walk you through that. But nonetheless, so right now, if nothing happens tomorrow, if nothing happens when we get into the office tomorrow, what I will have CC do is send you another package, and this time we'll try to see if we can get it expedited again to you. And that's what we would do if we don't hear nothing back, or when we check the tracking number for USPS. If they don't, if it says the same thing as what it's saying today, then tomorrow we'll just send out another package to you when we send out all the rest of our packages. How's that sound?
Yeah, that's fine. That's great. And what I really appreciate is you taking time out to call me.
Absolutely. Well, we take our, for me, like I said, I'm a customer too, and in these times, and man, it just like this situation happened where we had some food delivered, and I don't eat meat, and so I hadn't eaten lunch. I hadn't eaten all day, so I got things delivered because I'm working and I don't have time to go out and get anything because we got a lot of things to do. But long story short, they got the order wrong. And I was a little irritated, I was. And it could be a lot of things. I'm hungry, I'm busy, there's a lot of things going on. So I always look at it from that perspective of, for the customer, is that, anything can be going on your side, and I don't know. But the only thing I can do is try to make it right. Whatever it is, I don't care what happened or how it happened or why it's happening. My job, I believe, is just to make it right and to make sure that you are a happy customer, and as well as you get a great experience.
Sure. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Absolutely, Jay. So I'll make sure I let Courtney know, and then we'll get that shipped out to you tomorrow if there is no other changes that is progressive on USPS's end, okay?
Hey, thanks again. Thanks for the concern.
All right. Well, Jay, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you just choosing us to for your grooming beard needs, and I hope you're having a wonderful new year. And if you have any questions, this is my number that you can contact me on.
Okay, sure.
And so if at any event that you can't get to me, you can always email CC. And you know, if it's something, hey, I need to get you on the phone. If you need to get me on the phone, then email her, and then we can make that happen.
Okay, no problem. Hey, thanks again. We appreciate it.
All right, Jay. Take care.
All right, bye.
Bye. That's how we take care of that. We still rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, keep rolling. So, that's how you take care of your customers. At the end of the day, don't focus on the problem. We got to focus on the solution. And things happen. It's not our fault. It's not the customer's fault. You know, it doesn't matter whose fault it is. It just matters if we get the package into the customer's hands. And that's really what matters. In this particular time, this individual, Jay, his son uses the product. So via word of mouth, we was recommended, we were referred. And so when your customers, you just got to take care of your customers, because again, we are all customers. And if you've ever had an experience where you felt like, man, all you need to do is just show me that you appreciate me. And all customers, the only thing they want is that they just want to know, do you appreciate my service? Do you appreciate the fact that I'm patronizing your business? Do you appreciate that? And you just got to show them that we do appreciate that, and we're going to do whatever it takes. It's not about the money. It's not about the products. It's not about that. It's just about that that the customer is being taken care of, whatever it takes to make that happen. So,
yeah.
Bada boom, bada bang.